Hey guys, it's Warren here and welcome back to the LEGO Family channel. Now today I'm going to show you a really fun and creative way we can help teach our kids to spell their name plus count with numbers. We'll be making a garage game using an empty box and DUPLO cars where the aim of the game is to get the car into the right numbered door depending on the roll of a dice. And for the second game we'll be making a parking lot where the aim is to spell your name using the DUPLO cars. So let's get started. And firstly, here's how to make the car garage numbers game. To start with, all you'll need is an empty box, which you can turn inside out if needed. Then line up some DUPLO cars along the box so you know how many doors you can cut out of the garage. And now mark the space between each car, leaving just over a centimetre between them, and then use a ruler to mark out the sides of the doors, making sure they're high enough to fit the cars through. And then also use a ruler to draw out the top of the doors, and then you should have all the doors for your garage drawn out. And then carefully using a pair of safety scissors, carefully cut out the sides of each of the doors, then fold them upwards into the back of the box. And then fasten them into place until you're left with all the doors open on your garage. And now let's make our garage look even better. You can either paint your garage or, for a quicker and cleaner option, simply cover it in some wrapping paper. And for the finishing touches, let's add some signage. Get some paper and draw out a big garage sign plus some numbers for each of the garage doors. Then simply fasten the sign and the numbers into place on the front of the garage. And now let's play. So take a dice and whatever number you roll, try and get one of the cars into the corresponding garage door. Or for an alternative way to play, write some numbers on some sticky notes and place them on the cars. Then test your arithmetic by adding together the number on your car plus the number of the door you managed to drive your car into. And now let's play our parking lot spelling game. Simply take a sheet of paper and draw out the border for your parking lot, then line up all your DUPLO vehicles on the paper. Make sure you have enough vehicles for the number of letters in your name, then mark out the parking lines. Write out each letter of your name in each parking bay, then use some sticky notes to write each letter of your name on as well. Now line up your DUPLO cars on the parking lot and place a sticky note on top of each car. And the aim of the game is to learn how to spell your name by parking the correct lettered vehicle into its corresponding bay. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and did you know there are loads more creative ways you can use DUPLO bricks to help your child develop? And also remember to subscribe to the LEGO Family channel for loads more tips and hacks to help make your life just that little bit easier.